Good morning. My name is Tom. I come to you from Northern Maine. I've got one reason for you to belong to this channel. This is the second one of these fish that I've caught in the last 2 days. This is an 8-pound lake trout, 27 inches long. So subscribe to the channel if you like this kind of stuff. This is all that this channel is about. Fishing, hunting, anything to do with the great outdoors is what I cover in this channel. So I'm looking forward to meeting you. Subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment, and you have a great day. Good morning, my name is Tom. I come to you from the Rustic log cabin in Northern Maine. Get yourself a cup of coffee. It's kind of dark in here this morning, but we'll do a video later on that won't be quite so dark and you can see the inside of the cabin. When the bright sun comes through the window out here, it darkens up the cabin in here for the camera. So anyways, I'm getting ready to have breakfast. This is the first trip back to the cabin. Time to make the fries. What? Your camp doesn't have a French fry maker? You need to go to some lawn sales. The deep fryer for the French fries, the small frying pans for the deer steaks, and the bigger ones for the eggs. Been waiting a long time for this breakfast. Now when you're at camp, there's no great secret to figuring out the temperature of the oil. Just drop in a fry. When it starts to boil like that, that means the oil is ready. And when they float, they're finished. Now doesn't that look good? Too slippery. Bad angle. You guys are sitting in front of the frying pan. What the hell? Alright, Doug, you keep telling me I need camp therapy. Does that look like camp therapy? Looks like camp therapy to me. Hey, let's go over to the table and have some coffee. Put a little salt and pepper on this. Well, I hope you enjoyed my day today. I enjoyed bringing you along. If you enjoyed this video, throw me a bone. At the end of it, subscribe to my video, subscribe to my channel. Hope you enjoy everything that's in there. Ring the bell, give me a thumbs up. I got lots more stuff like this coming. I'm starting to gear the channel a little bit differently as far as a little more what the lifestyle is here, along with my bushcraft and all of that. So, got lots of good plans coming up. So you have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one.